I like this one. I hear this a lot. I want to open cell under my underside of my roof sheathing so I can tell if there's a roof leak. What? If you have a roof leak, you have a problem with the structural integrity of the roof system. It has nothing to do with the insulation. I don't want my insulation to get wet, period, at any time, ever. I don't want to use my insulation as a barometer for the performance of my roof sheathing. I expect my roofing assembly to perform. That's what I paid for it. I expect my insulation to insulate. That's what I paid it for. I didn't expect my insulation to keep my house dry when there's been a perforation of my roofing system. So, again, closed cell is approved by FEMA for use in flood zones. It's also used as a flotation material in all of the boats in North America, either big boats, small boats, 16 foot and above, personal watercrafts. They all use closed cell foam as the flotation material. Why? Because it doesn't absorb water. I would rather, if I had a perforation in my roof sheathing and water was getting in, I would rather have my insulation not be affected by that water, to reject that water, to dry out the same way it got wet.
To help you understand a little bit more about spray foam and to help you integrate it into your operation, I've created educational courses on my website at letstalkpur.com, or you can click on the link in the video description. I encourage you to check them out. I'll see you there.